this recording right now? Oh, it is.
I guess.
Okay, so today... Oh, wait. Intro. Cut. Hey guys, my name is Kayan, and today my name is Kayan, and this is Ashlyn.
What's up?
Great intro. Today we went shopping. We're going to show you guys what we got today and do some unboxing. What'd you get?
I don't like this. Anyways, so I've been watching Zoella since probably about 2011.
Wow.
Yeah, not bad. Anyways,
I didn't know that.
she's a YouTuber in the UK, and she has her own line out, and I got this at Ulta. What this smells like. So it comes in 4 different flavors. Blissful Mistful.
You guys could see it.
I like this one.
Yeah. Pretty good. I like that
That's
one.
more like an outing perfume, I would say. This next one is called Bake My Day, which has a little gingerbread man on the back.
This is what it looks like. This is the back.
Literally smells like a pumpkin candy.
Ah!
So this one's called Cosmos, and it literally smells like mint. I'm not a big fan of it.
Cosmos. This is what the spray bottle looks like. Oh. It smells like toothpaste.
Yeah,
That's what it smells like.
smells like mint, literally. This one is not bad. It's called Snowella.
Snowella.
Get it, Zoella.
Am I doing it right? Sure.
Anyways. It's like very
I like that. Yeah.
So I think it goes Blissful Mistful is my first, second Snowella, third Bake My Day, and lastly the Cosmo.
The thing that we got was from Best Buy. It's called PetCube Play. Indoor camera for your pets to see what they're up to. If you, just in case like you've been gone for too long, you can see what's up. It's 2-way audio, so you can talk to your animal, or they can. I won't say talk to you. That's weird. The thing about this is there's a laser, so we are going to unbox this. It's a laser for your cat or your dog. What's this? Ooh, fancy! That's what it looks like. I was gonna do this, but oh no. Here, this is the laser. So, and then the camera's right there. So you can see, comes with a reset pin inside. We have no clue what this does. This is our first time buying this, so I'm going to try it out. Ashlyn is reading the directions right now. Bear with us. It comes with a mount on the very bottom, so you can twist it on like a iPod or something.
Careful with the front glass, it says.
Oh. Install the PetCube app on your smartphone and register your account. We're gonna figure out if it's worth how much will be spent on it, so we will let you guys know. In the meantime, we're gonna figure out how to set this up and where to place it. See if it actually works and if it's worth the money. This is Ruby. So Ashlyn just asked how much her cat weighs. How much do you guys think? Oh, how much do you weigh, Ruby? I'm not an abusive animal person. Ruby's a fun time. She's like, help me, mama. Oh, your breath smells good. Does it?
Yes, you got mints.
Alright. Ow! We could plug it in like over there for now. There. It's a long cord. That's a plus. Look how long the cord is.
Tap next when you see green light blinking. It may take up to 1 minute for the solid booting color to change to a pulsing green.
What are we waiting for?
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
So everything's set up, everything's plugged in. We just follow the instructions. It's self-explanatory. So right now we're going to test to see if it worked. And now she's setting it up on her iPhone.
Firmware needed an update. It will take up to 15 minutes to install. Feel free to browse cute pet apps and play with real pets in the app.
Okay, so we gotta wait 15 minutes to wait for the app and the PetCube to update. So in the meantime, we're just gonna hang out for 15 minutes. So Ashlyn's app,
It's gonna tell me there's a human in here.
yeah, notified her that there was a human in her house, and obviously the camera, the PetCube, is facing us. So we're the humans that it detected. That's kind of cute. It's kind of cool. It's kind of scary at the same time. Okay, so after updating and everything on the app and waiting for everything to connect, it finally works. So that is the live view of everything that you're seeing from the PetCube. So what do you think about it so far? That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
You should try doing the laser.
I know. Wait, I don't know how. Laser calibration.
Laser calibration. Hey Ruby, we're gonna set the laser for you.
There it goes. Calibrate mode. Calibrate your camera to make your laser movements more accurate. Select the physical location where you will place your camera and start calibration.
Okay, so Ashlyn is playing around with the laser pointer. Obviously you can see it's on my... Bro, stop! She's having too much fun with this PetCube, so we'll tell you guys if it's worth the money that we spent on it. Kat seems to enjoy it. Ruby needs to lose some weight. I honestly think that this is worth it. The PetCube Play for your pets inside your house.
I think it's worth it too.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear her, but she said that she thinks it's worth it too. So I guess we'll tell you guys how much we spent on this PetCube Play. Well, first of all, we bought it at Best Buy for $200. I guess after tax, like $210 and whatnot. I'm sure you can find it somewhere cheaper, but we just needed it like right away before we had to go to Florida. So yeah, PetCube Play is definitely worth it for $200. I'm sure there's other ones out there, but I think this one, our first time using it, I think it's definitely worth it. Yes, I'm sure you guys can hear the background audio from the camera. And Ashlyn's playing with the laser pointer, so she's in the other room right now. She's playing with the camera on her phone, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely worth $200. It's definitely worth it. But yeah, I guess that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the PetCube Play and a little bit of Zoella's fragrance mist quad. So yeah, stay tuned to our next unboxing or another, or whatever we may have in store for you guys. But yeah, have a good day. See you guys later. Forgot to tell you guys that, oh, let me do this. How do I do this? I am currently in Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm only gonna be here till Monday. Landed yesterday, but we are going to Florida. I'm gonna do an engagement shoot there, and we're going to Universal Studios and a park in Disney World. So that's going to be fun. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just hanging out here till then. Ruby, what are you doing down there? What are you trying to do?
Badass is gonna try and fit in there.
I don't think you can fit in that box, Ruby. You could try.
Okay. Is that a green blinking light? Since all the white is filled with black, that means. Yo.
I know, I'm always like, I don't want to get myself.
That Snapchat clip that you guys saw was of Kalia. I guess she was supposed to send that snap to her mom. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
But she sent it to Ashlyn. Also, follow Ashlyn at Ashy33 on Snap, at Ashy33 on Instagram. Oh, and also follow Kalia on Instagram. Oh, this is embarrassing. What is her Instagram?
Oh, it's over there.
So the laser point.
Do it in low light.
So the laser point is working. There's 18 points of the laser.
Okay, I see it.
So I should figure it out. Okay, cool. There it is. Where did it go?
Yeah.
Aha!
Look at Ugly. Look at Ruby. It's on the couch, Ruby. Where's it at now?
It's on my camera. Right there. There. Oh. She's gonna get it.
Where'd it go?
Right behind you.
On here.
Okay.
Oh, you can move it with your finger. Hey!
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Do you think it's worth the money?
I think so.
You think so?
Connection sound alert. What does that mean? Reduce echo in camera calls. Night vision.